Alright guys, here with my better looking half, Dave Carpenter. We're here to show you some techniques. We're going to take it back to like a little bit more fundamental this week, like close guard stuff. Moving the hips, some drills to move the hips, an old school arm bar, and then one of my personal favorite sweeps I used to hit a long time ago. Okay, so we're going to do like a little hip exercise, arm bar type drill. I like to do this. And just to get the hips moving. It's good for the arm bar drill, it's good for like guard recovery. You know, as long as you can have active hips, it's never gonna hurt. Okay, so we're gonna start here. Maybe make grips on the sleeves just like this. Make my angle, and let's go straight to an arm bar. Okay, this is really important. I keep everything good and clamped. I'm gonna use this top leg to rotate and make my other angle. Okay, so I go 1, 2, all the way to the other side. That's the drill, back and forth. So I use this top leg as like a pendulum here. 1, 2. My hips go over. I jump up and clamp. Okay, really clamping. I'm not Xing, but I'm clamping. Practicing good technique and developing hip movement at the same time. So the drill looks like this. So if you're having a little bit of trouble with this technique and you feel like I just can't get side to side that well, have your partner kind of do like a pull for you, so you can get the full range of movement. And he's gonna assist you a little bit. So Dave's gonna pull me side to side. I'm just gonna go with the flow. So he's just like this. He's just gonna help me move side to side. Okay, this is probably the first way I had to learn it, just like this. He's just pulling me side to side, helping me out with my movement, and then after a while he can kind of wean off of that a little bit. Be here. So that's the first drill, side to side hip movement. It's a wonderful drill. It's definitely gonna complement your game when you do that. Do it 30 times before you get warmed up. Do it 30 times after when you're tired. Excellent way to develop. So let's get into an arm bar that I learned way back in the day. Gi and no gi. It's pretty good. Here we go. So I grab this wrist control. I don't like to grab the sleeve. Just grab the wrist, go underneath his arm, and now I'm 2-on-1 here on the elbow and on the wrist. This and no gi or gi. These are really good grips to have. Okay, you control his arm, especially no gi. Really, this is more of a no gi arm bar. You really stay tight on this arm. Okay. So once I get here, the 2-on-1 control, I'm going to lift my hips and bring his arm just to the center line. Okay. I can break his posture by doing two things. Sometimes I reach up for the shoulder, sometimes I reach my thumb to the back of the collar. Okay. So we can do this both the gi and no gi. I like to reach right here, 2 fingers right behind, and I'll pull everything down. Now I'm just going to open my guard, put my foot on the hip, and I'm ready to make my angle. So I just focus on taking my head to the side as I bring my bottom leg up real high. Okay, push his head to the side. And I step over right to the arm bar. My feet stay alive. Everything stays getting tight right here. And as you can see, the arm bar's here. It just takes a little bit of pressure. Finish the arm bar. And now we're gonna go off to a sweep that I really like to do with that same grip combination. Now this sweep I used a lot when I was like probably blue, and as soon as I got my purple belt, I used to hit the sweep all the time. I was doing primarily no gi, but even in the gi I was still using this. Okay. So I'm going to go here, the exact same grips as the arm lock we just did. I'm going to pull it to the side, or not the side, but right here to the middle. This is sometimes all I'll get. Okay, so if the guy like starts to crouch in on me, okay, I can just reach. Okay, I'm going to abort the arm bar because I know that's going to be hard. The guy's kind of crashing into me a little bit too much. So I'll reach and I'll grab the armpit with these 2 fingers and get a really good tight grip. Notice how I still have this arm trapped. Okay, this is key for this next technique. I'm going to reach underneath. I'm going to make an underhook with my free hand, so I've got his posture control and I've got a good underhook to provide me with his angle. Okay. Now we're gonna do this. It's called a pendulum sweep / like flower sweep. Okay. I'm gonna open my guard. I'm gonna use this leg and get my hips out. Okay. So I have to do this motion like I have to really use that leg, get my hips out. So all of Dave's weight is on my hamstring, right? Okay. I'm really strong. He's on the center of my hips. So I'm gonna continue to get his knees off the mat, his weight off of his hips. With this leg, okay? As soon as I feel like I'm ready, I'm gonna keep this leg straight and dump him right to mount position. Okay, now from here, I keep everything getting tight. If I can keep his arm smashed inside, I will. I start to attack different things like the arm triangle, okay? Maybe edge mount. All right, whatever I wanna do, he's at the mercy of where I wanna take him. All right, guys, so as a review, we're gonna go to the arm bar and the sweep real quick. So same grips right here, 1, 2, control the posture, or here, okay? Here, there, step, make my angle, arm bar. Okay, go here, 2-on-1, I sit up, and I'm gonna make a good strong grip on his armpits and so the underhook. Now I don't like to put my feet on the mat from here. I just use my top leg as a pendulum to get my hips out. So here, and I kick. Getting him off balance. As soon as I feel like the sweep is there, I lean. I extend my bottom leg. Notice how I extend this leg straight. Get it out of my way. I can roll right to mount position. I usually let go of the leg, and I'm out here boosting because I want him to bridge and I want him to feel my base here. I want my hands up, arm triangle. That's not whatever it is that I want him to do. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. This is really basic, fundamental stuff from closed guard, the stuff that I use still even to this day, in combination with everything else. But hope you guys enjoy.
That's your job, and they gon' hate, but that's no